Alright, this is a double bike check. My buddy Mitchell and me, Braxton. You go first, sweet cheeks.
Alright. First off, I'll start with the bars. I have black ODI bar grips, and then Colt bars, and then a Mission headset with black bolts. Headset is Colt, frame, kink, launch, and I don't know what these forks are, but they're blue. And I have a Mission hub, Alien Nation rim, and then I have a Sunday front tire. And over here, I have a black seat, Delta, and a Colt seat post, and a Mission clamp. And then I have Mission cranks and Odyssey pedals, and a kink decimal sprocket, and a half link chain. Pretty nice one. Costed a lot. And did. And an Odyssey back tire. And this black rim. Mirko black rim.
The Mirko hub. Hub sound.
And this is my hub sound.
Alright.
Oof.
Back to me. Well, this is my bike. Alright, I'll start to the front, move my way to the back. Alright, I got a DK front tire 1.95 with the Salt signature rim, with the Salt signature hub, with the Primo peg. Had those probably for like 3 years. With the King bolt forks, kind of bent, not really. Well, I got black ODI leg grips like him with no barns because I'm ghetto like that. Colt bars with a Colt stem with the Rent headset sealed, integrated mostly. Okay, I have a Verde Regent frame, double butted with double, I think integrated like clamps. I have a integrated clamp right here. I have some pedals he gave me with Mission tonsite cranks with Rent headset, with a Colt freaking seat post with felted bat pivotal, pretty nice. Alright, well, I got a King decimal sprocket with a KMC chain that I snap a lot.
It's true.
Yeah. In the back I got another Primo peg, had that for a while, busted up.
I did a lot more moving than me.
Yeah. I have a stolen revolver rim with a stolen revolver hub with some stolen freaking tire that came with it and all that. It's kind of awesome. Well, this is my hub sound. It's pretty nice. Not that loud, not too soft. I think that's mostly it. Both of us just bike riders, so
We're done.
yep.
Whoa.
That's our bikes.